Good morning guys, Praful Kulkarni here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. And today is 25th of June, the first day of the new series, the July month series. And Nifty had almost took me out of the trade. Almost यहाँ पे 25k तक loss चल रहा था मेरा. Almost 20k तक loss चल रहा था. I was like, okay, let's wait for just another 1k or something, another 5k or something, and I just cut out the position. इस point पे it was a massive 70 point fall. It's from 15,840 to 15,780, almost 65 points fall हो गया था, and it almost took me out of the trade, but somehow I cut out my position and re-entered. So एक बार मतलब पूरा trade को break करना पड़ा and then re-entered it. So currently we are up by close to 3 points, 2.5-3 points up है. But at any point of time I start heading cost to cost, most probably I'll just cut out because the premium variation is just too much to handle. काफी ज्यादा premium variation हो रहा था. And on the Bank Nifty account I've taken a 35,000 straddle, so which is working out to be okay. But the moment we take out the day's high, most probably I'll cut out my position. So if at all we come back to 35,000, then I get a proper range. अगर 35,000 के आसपास आ जाता है, then I get a proper range of days high and days low, so I can work with that. But if at all we start breaching this days high again, then most probably I'll be forced to cut out this position, because then these call side will start to expand much faster than the puts can decay. So, and on the Nifty account, we are close to 3.5 points now. Oh, so what will be the plan of adjustment? The moment we start breaking the days high के ऊपर break कर देते हैं, then I'll be shifting all these calls to 16,050. That will be the plan. I won't be taking any put side credit because Reliance is looking especially weak. ठीक है, Reliance particularly काफी weak लग रहा है. So if we start seeing some sort of a downward cascade from Reliance, then most probably these puts will spike up to sky. So I don't want that to happen, and because of which I'll be risking from the call side and not taking additional risk from the put side. So that will be the approach for the day. Okay, some minor adjustments I had to do. What I did is whenever the market was falling down, the put premiums were spiking a bit way too hard. So what I did is I cut down my quantity, took out the hedges, and I have taken a high risk, high reward spread, which is a straddle, 15,800 straddle पे बैठा हूँ. So which has not given me much. It's just, you know, pretty much cost to cost. 1 point दिया रहेगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. And the plan is to hold on to this straddle till the day's high is either taken out or day's low is taken out. Else I'm going to sit on this straddle for the rest of the day. And hedges में buy नहीं करने वाला हूँ because the mark to market swings is just too much to handle. Because at one point this 15,800 put had spiked up to 125 in a span of minutes. So not worth it, and you know, taking this kind of an MTM swing, because had we just slid down another 10 or 15 points, ये जो 108 पे जो चल रहा है, it would have easily spiked up to, let's say, 135, 140. At that point, that becomes a point of no return. At that point, you don't have any other go. So you have to take the loss at that point. So that becomes a bit hard. So that's why I'm keeping the quantities very light, and I'm going to go with this. And जैसे days low अगर breach हो जाता है, most probably I'll come out. Probably, see, most probably we might see a bounce from this point. यहाँ से या 20 moving average से lower CPR से, this is a very good support zone. I'm still expecting this to be a very good support zone. But mark to market wise, if at all we start heading towards the day's low, most probably I'm gonna have to call it a day. I'll just come out because काफी ज्यादा volatile है market. Look at this. It's just been 45 minutes and we already dipped 70 points, recovered 70 points, again dipped 80 points, and now we made an up move of around 30 points, and now again we are dipping back. So that's why, let's see guys, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so when this sharp down move started happening, just a minute, when this sudden sharp move started happening, so I came out of my straddle, and even the IV started slightly spiking up. मतलब close to close basis पे negative है VIX, but यहाँ पे IV spike up हो रहा था. So I thought that's the best time to come out, and I came out at 116 and 100.5. Yeah. So decent exit, nothing neither bad nor good. That is because HDFC is trading at the day's low, and Bank Nifty, which was showing good amount of strength, has come down. So Bank Nifty can come up till the day's low now, because that will be the next possible support for Bank Nifty. If at all it starts getting rejected here, probably, but that's the risk like we need to take. And we had already got a decent amount of DK, almost 5-6 points का DK मिल गया था हमें. So because of which I decided to cut out my position. And ये जो dip आई है Reliance में, Reliance has been tanking for quite some time now, almost 3 दिन से dip आ रहा था. If you go to the daily chart, yeah, look at this. Almost from the high of 2267, we are at 2000, close to 2100. So I use this opportunity to buy around 1 lakh worth of Reliance share, and I'll be accumulating Reliance, and the next stop for Reliance would be somewhere at 2050. वो कहाँ पे आता है? Here, where we have a 200-day moving average, and which is a swing. So I'll be accumulating another lot of Reliance at 2050, another 50, another 50 quantity of Reliance. So for the day, it's 23k in this account, and 5k exact in this account, so 28k for the day. A long time now, for the last almost 1 week, the market has been extremely erratic. There was absolutely no decay throughout the day, and there has been constant spikes here and there. But today, for everyone's surprise, the market has the premiums are just melting like ice cream. It's melting so smoothly that the VIX is down almost 9%. Can you imagine? The VIX is sub 14 now, guys. Like, this is kind of pre-corona VIX. Corona से पहले जो euphoric state में जो market ऊपर चल रहा था, उस time का जो VIX है, अभी फिलहाल वो time का VIX अभी दिखाई दे रहा है. And the premiums have just melted, absolutely thrashed, completely melt हो गया premiums. And yeah, but I couldn't capitalize on it because at this point, ये point पे मैं जो exit लिया, it exactly looked like it's gonna breach and it's gonna come down, and I came out of my position and I didn't dare to take exit again, and थोड़ा बहुत दूसरा काम भी आ गया and missed a lot of DK, absolutely missed a lot of DK. So I exited at 216, a total of 15,800 straddle को 216 पे exit किया, and now it's at 202, another 14 points of DK, as in another 25k easily. And my strangle, after I exited, the strangle has given almost 12 points of DK, which means I missed around 50k. But things like this definitely happens, all right? So you can't exactly get every ounce of premium that's left in the market. But yeah, all that being said and done, you'll never know, because 130 के आसपास एक बड़ा movement आके the premiums can get disrupted. So you'll never know. But I think now's a great time to add calendars, because, and I'll be looking to sell a range bound calendar spread. I'll check how the risk and reward is sitting in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I'll take the position accordingly. So as of now, we are 23.5k here and around 5k here, so 28k for the day, more than 29k for the day. But yes, we could have done a lot better considering the kind of VIX crash that we had today. But yeah, as I said, the market always throws, curveballs at you. Whenever you're thinking that, okay, the market is pretty calm, and that's when the market surprises with you with spikes. And whenever you think that, okay, the market is spiky and I might have to exit soon, that's when market rewards you with the maximum decay. And that's what's happening right now. And I hope you guys have a good weekend. Enjoy karo, chill maro. I'll see you guys in the next learning video.